Hello students. So in today's video, we are going to discuss NCERT solution of chapter Nutrition in Animals. So let's start. Question number 1, fill in the blanks. The main step of nutrition in humans. So what are the main step of nutrition in humans, beta? Number 1, it's ingestion, then digestion, absorption, assimilation, in which we do utilization of the digested food, and egestion. Second, the largest gland in human body is. So which one is the largest gland? So the answer is liver. The stomach releases hydrochloric acid and dash juices which act on food. So the stomach releases hydrochloric acid and digestive juices, or you can also write gastric juices. Okay, digestive juices or gastric juices which act on food. The inner wall of small intestine has many finger-like outgrowths. So these are called villi. So this villi beta, it increases the surface area for the absorption of digested food, and it is present in the small intestine. So this is villi. Amoeba digests its food in food vacuole. Next question, mark true and false. Digestion of starch starts in stomach. So it's false. We all know that the digestion of starch, it starts in buccal cavity in mouth. The tongue help in mixing food with saliva. True. The gallbladder temporarily stores bile. It's true. The bile juice is secreted by the liver, which is stored in gallbladder. The ruminants bring back swallowed grass into their mouth and chew it for some time. So it's true for the digestion. Mark the correct answer in each of the following. Fat is completely digested in the stomach, mouth, small intestine, large intestine. So the correct answer is small intestine. As we all know that the complete digestion takes place in small intestine. Water from the undigested food is absorbed mainly in large intestine. Next one, match the following. Food components, carbohydrate, protein, fat, products of digestion, fatty acid and glycerol, sugar and amino acids. So let's start. We all know that food components, carbohydrate is a sugar, protein, it's amino acid, fat, fatty acid, and components of food, that is products of digestion. Next one, what are villi and what is their location and function? So villi beta, they are finger-like projection. Villi are finger-like projection. Where they are located? So they are present in small intestine and what is the function? The function of villi is it increase the surface area for absorption of digested food. Next one. Where is the bile produced? Which component of the food does it helps to digest? So As we discussed already in the previous slide, bile juice is produced in the liver and it gets stored in the gallbladder and it helps in the digestion of fat. Next, name the type of carbohydrate that can be digested by ruminants but not by humans and give reason also. So cellulose, it's a type of a carbohydrate. Cellulose is the carbohydrate that can be digested by ruminants but not by humans because human lack cellulase enzyme and also cellulose digesting enzymes. So they lack cellulase enzyme required to digest the cellulose. Next, why do we get instant energy from glucose? So glucose is a type of a simple carbohydrate. So glucose is a simple sugar, or you can write simple carbohydrate, which is easily absorbed into the blood vessel, into the blood, whereas other carbohydrates are first break down into glucose and then they absorb and then absorb. Hence, glucose gives instant energy as it is a simple sugar which is absorbed by blood. Next one, which part of the digestive canal is involved in number one, absorption of food? So, which part of digestive canal it's involved in absorption of food? It's small intestine. The complete digestion takes place in small intestine where the food get absorbed. Second, chewing of food. So it is done in buccal cavity in mouth with the help of teeth. Next, third, killing of bacteria. It's happen in stomach with the help of hydrochloric acid. Next, fourth, complete digestion of food. It occurs in small intestine. And the last one, formation of feces, that is, we are ejected out. Its formation occur in large intestine. Next question. Write one similarity and one difference between nutrition in amoeba and human beings. So the similarity in both of them is that they both follow the Holozoic mode of nutrition. So both amoeba and human being follow Holozoic mode of nutrition. And the second, what is the dissimilarity? You have to write only one difference. So we can write that humans, they intake food through mouth, and in amoeba, food is taken by pseudopodia. Next one, match the following. Start with the first one, salivary gland. So salivary gland, it secretes saliva. Stomach. Stomach release acid. Acid is released. Liver. Bile juice secretion. Rectum. It stores undigested food. Small intestine, digestion is complete. Large intestine, absorption of water. Next question, label the diagram of digestive system, beta. Okay, this is the diagram that is already given. You have to only label the diagram. So let's label its part. This one, it's stomach. This one, pancreas. This, gallbladder. Then the next part, large intestine, inner one, small intestine. This is rectum, which stored the undigested food in the form of feces, and this is anus, small opening through which we eject out the undigested food. Next one, can we survive only on raw vegetables or grasses? So the correct answer is no. We cannot survive. We cannot survive only on raw leafy vegetables or grass. Why? So we have to also discuss because they mainly consist of cellulose. And as we already discussed, we don't have cellulase enzyme or cellulose digesting bacteria. So which cannot be digested by us due to lack of cellulose digesting enzyme in our body. It's all about the exercise.